In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted tasks in Microsoft Planner. Before we start, it's important to understand that Microsoft Planner does not work like a normal recycle bin for individual tasks. In many cases, when a task is deleted from a plan, it cannot be restored directly from Planner with one simple undo button. So the best option depends on whether the task was deleted recently, whether you still have details saved somewhere, and whether your organization has backup or audit tools available. First, open Microsoft Planner and go to the plan where the task was deleted. Check the board carefully and make sure the task was actually deleted, not just moved to another bucket. Look through all buckets, such as To Do, In Progress, Review, and Completed. Next, use Planner's filters. The task may be hidden because a filter is active. Clear all filters for assigned person, due date, priority, label, or progress. Also, check the charts, grid, and schedule views if they are available, because the task may appear in another view. If the task was only marked as completed, it may be hidden from your normal board view. Look for completed tasks in the plan and expand the completed section if needed. If you find the task there, open it and change the progress back to Not Started or In Progress. If the task was truly deleted, check Microsoft Teams if the plan is connected to a team. Sometimes task conversations, comments, or activity may still give you enough information to recreate the task. Open the related channel, search for the task name, and review any messages or files connected to it. You can also check your email notifications. If you were assigned to the task or mentioned in comments, Outlook may have received planner notification emails. Search your inbox for the task name, plan name, or keywords from the deleted task. If your organization uses Microsoft 365 admin tools, ask your IT admin whether any audit logs, retention policies, or backups are available. Regular users usually cannot restore deleted planner tasks from an admin recycle bin, but admins may be able to help review activity or recover related data, depending on company setup. If recovery is not possible, recreate the task manually. Add a new task with the same title, assign the correct person, set the due date, priority, labels, checklist items, attachments, and notes as closely as possible. For the future, avoid deleting tasks unless you are sure they are no longer needed. A safer option is to move old tasks into an archive or completed bucket, so the information stays available later. That's how to recover or recreate deleted tasks in Microsoft Planner. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.